So it's no secret that I'm not a fan of Akropovic exhausts. Have a look at the review video I done on this bike, and I'm whinging about it then. I've had a few bikes now with Akropovic exhausts on them. I personally wouldn't buy Akropovic exhausts, I'm just not impressed with them. So I've been humming and hawing pretty much since I got this bike about what to do. Whether to change the exhaust, put headers on it, keep this exhaust, just deal with it. This has been going on pretty much since I had the bike. I'm not impressed with this exhaust. You can't even hear it. I will put a video up of me starting it so you can hear. It's pretty naff. So I've made a decision, and I'll tell you after the intro. So like I say guys, Akropovic exhaust. Now there's nothing wrong with Akropovic exhausts. They're obviously like market leaders and all that. I had Acros on my first Z1000, I've had Acros on my Versus, I've now had Acros on this, and I am just not impressed with them. I mean, don't get me wrong, as you can see, it looks nice, it's a nice looking exhaust, and it looks quite smart on the bike, but I like a bike that I can hear the exhaust on, and this bike is loud anyway. Engine noise pretty much drowns out the exhaust anyway. So yeah, so pretty much after humming and hawing what to do, like I said, headers, change exhaust, whatever, I have made a decision, and my decision is the Akropovic is going. Now I know what you're thinking, what's the matter with me? Why would I get rid of an Akropovic exhaust? Just put headers on it, which would probably solve a lot of my problems, but the issue I've got is I don't want to make it obnoxiously loud. My Z1000, if you see that video of my Z1000 review I done, or even the video of me taking it out for the first time for the year, that bike was obnoxiously loud. It was stupidly loud, and I decatted that. That had straight through exhaust on it, had two Black Widows on it. They were loud anyway. I didn't want to go down the route of it being stupidly loud because I want to tour on it. I don't want to annoy my neighbours because I quite like my neighbours. I just wanted a bit more of a meaty, growly sound to the bike, and this just ain't cutting it, pretty much. So yeah, I pretty much thought I'd put a different slip on. I'm keeping all the cat and all that sort of stuff on it. Two reasons. One, obviously that'll keep the sound down a little bit. And two, with all this potential anti-tampering law coming into place, if it comes out that you can't be taking cats off and stuff like that anymore, or you've got to change it back to standard and all that, just changing this is an easier job than taking all that off. That being said, I am not the most competent person when it comes to doing things on bikes. I mean, changing exhaust and all that sort of stuff. I said I changed the last exhaust of my bikes. I didn't change any exhaust on any bike. I've had friends do it for me, or family had done my original Z1000. So strangely, I've decided to video myself changing this exhaust, and I don't really know what I'm doing. So I couldn't really put this down as a how-to video because I don't know how to change it. I've had a look. I mean, it doesn't look too complicated, but well, we'll see what happens really, won't we? This picture pretty much sums me up. So the exhaust I decided to go for I hummed and hawed on a lot of different exhausts, and after speaking to quite a few people, I decided to go for a local company. Well, say local, about an hour, 2 hours away from my house. I'm quite into supporting your local businesses and stuff like that. So, I mean, Black Widows I had on it on my Z were made in the UK. Apparently, I really like them exhausts. They're really good exhausts. They were built well. They sounded great. It made sense really to go for Black Widows again because I knew that exhaust. I didn't go for Black Widows. So what I actually went for was the Pro Race. This is, I can't remember what it's called. This is the GPR2R for the S1000XR. As you can see, it's quite a bit shorter. Probably going to be quite a bit louder. Hoping it's not going to be too loud. Yeah, they're a local company to me. This is obviously a stainless steel with carbon fibre sleeve. I have heard it on a video of another S1000XR. It does sound pretty smart, so I'm just really hoping that it isn't too loud. That's my only concern. It's only just been delivered, to be fair. It comes in this quite nice solid cardboard tube. I mean, it took me ages to get it out of all the bubble wrap, so I was going to do an unboxing video, but I'm glad I didn't because it took me so long. We'll get this fitted, guys. I'll have you along for the ride. If it all goes terribly wrong, then I'll just cut the video short and just flip to me with it on. We'll see how it goes. So far, so good. Right, before I put the heat shield plastic thing back on, I'll roll it outside, give it a go, see what it sounds like, make sure there's no leaks and all that sort of stuff. Well, I think she looks alright. Carbon matches the carbon on there. Obviously the heat shield's got to go on, but start up and see what it looks, sounds like. I am pleasantly surprised. It's not overly loud. It's got a nice raspy sound to it, so it's a winner. Anyway, I'm going to get back inside, put my heat shield thing back on again, and then just sit and admire it for a while, I suppose. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the exhaust, hopefully you better hear it when I next take the bike out. But all in all, it wasn't too difficult. So if you're a complete novice to doing bits and bobs on your bike, if I can do it, then anyone can do it. Cheers for watching guys, catch you on the next one. Forgot to shut the door, didn't I? It's the EQ coming in. Yes. Which drains out. This bike's a loud bike anyway, from the engine noise, so it pretty much drains, ain't drains, is it? It comes in quite a nice little, it's just been,